Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make a typical Italian dessert called strawberry panna cotta. It's a simple recipe but very delicious. Come with me and learn how to make this wonderful dessert to rock with your guests. To make it, you will need the following ingredients: 450 grams of heavy cream, 100 ml of milk, 125 grams of sugar, 1 dessert spoon of vanilla, and 12 grams of flavorless gelatin. First, I need to hydrate the flavorless gelatin in the water and wait 2 minutes. After, I need to dissolve the gelatin. In a pan, put the milk and the sugar to heat. When it's heated, put the gelatin in the recipient with the milk and the sugar and mix. Put the heavy cream too and mix more. After, put the vanilla and mix. To finish this part, put the liquid in the bowls and after put in the refrigerator and wait for 5 hours. Now I'm going to make the strawberry jam. To make it, you will need the following ingredients: strawberries, 4 soup spoons of sugar, and 70 ml of water. First, cut the strawberries into small pieces. After, in a pan, put the strawberries, the sugar and the water to heat. It will be a jelly when it obtains the consistency of one. After 5 hours, take the panna cotta out of the refrigerator and place the jam on the top. It's done. Enjoy it!